Hi, I'm Becca Palmer, Director of Spiritual Formation.
And I'm Josh Tandy, Campus Pastor.
And I'm Nee Abrahams, Director of Orientation and First Year Experience. And we all work at the Center for Student Life.
We're excited to be kicking off the summer break, and we wanted to let both new and returning students know about some exciting things happening here on campus that you can expect for the fall 2022 semester.
It was an exceptional year for campus renewal at Anderson University. Thanks to over 6,500 donors, we were able to complete our fundraising project, Call to Soar. Many donations went to fund student scholarships. Specific donors also created opportunities for innovative classroom spaces, like the Duncan Digital Media Lab, and refurbished some of our favorite beloved spots on campus, like Mocha Joe's.
As we look to next year, you can expect facility upgrades in some of the spaces that you love. In the basement of the Student Center, the Haven, the bathrooms, and the alley right next door to Mocha Joe's will be receiving upgrades. And I know a lot of you will be excited about this. Milkshakes will be served by Chick-fil-a.
To keep the good news coming, $1 million was generously given by the Ricker family to make much needed improvements in residence life to Dunn Hall's lobby and bathroom space. AU is expected to break ground mid-May. We can't wait for you to see these much needed improvements.
Your safety is our top priority, and with that in mind, we'll be performing some preventative maintenance to our campus lighting. Both the City of Anderson and our facilities team will be improving lighting throughout the valley, as well as the walking pathways around campus and surrounding streets.
We also want you to know that we are reviewing your parking concerns. We'll be taking a look this summer to reassess our designated parking map to see if there's any way we can better fit the needs of our employees, our campus community, and residential and commuter students.
We're very excited to share the chapel theme for next school year, Cultivate. Join us as we talk about growing our faith as we connect with God, build community, and worship creatively.
Finally, we want to thank you for your efforts of navigating the COVID-19 pandemic with great success. Despite the challenges that were presented with new COVID variations and infection spikes, we were able to finish this school year with 20 of our 35 school weeks designated as mask optional. We're hopeful for an even stronger year next year.
We are so excited about what's happening here at AU, and we're so thankful that you're part of this wonderful community. So we're praying that you have a safe, relaxing summer, and you come back recharged for another great academic year.
As always, God bless and go Ravens!